Alright guys, can you believe it? We're just 5 months away from the launch of the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. I know a lot of you are pumped. I mean, new iPhones, come on. But yeah, I get it. Some of us are also a little nervous to find out how much this thing is going to cost. Don't worry, we'll talk about pricing later on. Right now, I want to go over the 5 biggest changes coming to the iPhone 17 Pro series that you need to know. Let's jump into it. So first up, the design. This one's a biggie. Recently, Unbox Therapy actually got his hands on a dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And yeah, it's the real deal. It's super close to the renders we've seen floating around, but this time we're seeing it in the flesh. The phone's going to be slightly thicker than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which could mean better battery life. Yes, please. And yep, that new camera bar on the back. It's a big, bold move. What's cool though is that the camera bar is gonna match the color of the phone. No more random black glass cutouts. Looks way more premium and clean. Time to update my renders. Remember those rumors about Apple bringing back a bit of aluminum, or should I say aluminium, and mixing it with titanium and glass? Well, it looks like that's actually happening. You can really notice it under the camera bump. It gives off this nice two-toned effect that honestly looks stunning. Props to Apple on this one. Now camera nerds, listen up. This year is going to be massive. We're hearing that all 3 rear lenses, the main wide, ultra wide, and even the telephoto, are getting major upgrades. We're talking about going from 12 to 48 megapixel on the telephoto lens for the first time. That means crisper zooms, cleaner crops, and way better detail when you're snapping far-off shots. There are whispers that we might get 3.5x optical zoom and possibly even 5x or 10x digital zoom-like on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Sounds like Apple's finally getting serious about telephoto again. Now let's not forget the selfie cam. For the first time since the iPhone 14 Pro, we're getting an upgrade. Say hello to a new 24MP front camera. And it gets better. The dynamic island might be shrinking a bit, and Face ID sensors could be more compact too. So less screen space taken up equals more room for your content. Powering all of this is the beastly new A19 Pro chip, built on the 3nm N3P process. It should be right up there with the latest Snapdragon chips, maybe even edging them out a bit in certain areas. Apple's also working on their own Wi-Fi and 5G modems, so that could mean even stronger connections and less battery drain when you're out and about. Now, the price. This is where it gets tricky. Right now, the 16 Pro Max starts at $1,200. But with global tariffs and all that financial drama, there are rumors the 17 Pro Max might start as high as $2,000. Alright folks, that's everything you need to know, for now, about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, stay hyped, and I'll see you soon.